Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl. Yes, today I'm back with an interesting video. Going to do a full face makeup, no lashes. Yeah. So first we're starting with brushing our eyebrows, and then after that we're going to line our eyebrows using Davis number 3 eye pencil, starting from the lower side of your eyebrows. And kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed, or if you are new here. You just line like that, and then on the upper side we are starting from slightly in the middle part of your eyebrow, like that. And then after that we're combing again through our eyebrows using a toothbrush. To get my eyebrows to stay for long, I'm using a molding wax gel. Just a tiny bit of it. I apply a little amount on the toothbrush, and then I just apply like that. After applying, I'm going to press it in using the back of a brush, or you can as well use your finger. Using the back of the brush, you just do like that. This will help your eyebrows to stay for long. After that, you're going to fill in using the same Davis number 3 eye pencil, starting from the outer corner of the eyebrow, and then on the inner corner we're drawing hair like strands going upwards, just like that. Then to clean our eyebrows, you're using Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. This is not hard, it's just simple the way you're seeing it here. And if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, comment, like, share, and hit that notification button. On the upper side, I'm using the remaining product on the brush to clean it, or you can use your foundation, or rather you can just leave it that way and proceed to doing your face. After that, I'm applying the same Elegant Pro Concealer on my eyelids before applying eyeshadow. I'm using a tape to get that wing. And then for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use this palette, Drama palette. And so I just apply like that. In circular motions. After applying the eyeshadow, I'm doing my primer before doing the foundation. And with the foundation, I'm going to go in with this matte foundation from Kiss Beauty, using a beauty blender to blend the foundation. Just tap until it blends well. Don't forget to blend your foundation to the neck and your ears. You can also suggest what you want to learn in the comment section, and I'll be sure to do it. That's me goofing around, don't mind me. And so after that, we're going to highlight our face using Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Under eyes, on the nose, I'm doing just 3 dots, is enough for the nose. And to blend, I'm using a beauty blender, a damp beauty blender. You squeeze out the excess water. Blend. Make sure it blends well. And after highlighting, I'm going to use a matte setting powder to set the areas where I highlighted with the concealer immediately after highlighting. Blow off the excess and just do like that. using a brush to clean off the excess. Suggest what you want to learn in the comment section. I'll do it in my next video. After this, we're going to contour our nose. To slightly contour, don't overdo it. Using an angled brush, starting from around the inner side of your eyebrow, you want to join it with your eyeshadow for it to look more natural. Yeah, just like that. It's not hard. And then make sure you blend it into your eyeshadow. I'm using Davis No. 1 on my lower lid. And then after that, I'm going to contour and to blush my cheeks. At the higher point, and then I'm contouring the area around my hairline. And then after that, we're highlighting the nose and the inner corner of the eye, just slightly. Then after we're done with that, we're going to do our lips using Davis No. 1 lip liner and lip gloss only. I'm using a clear lip gloss here, and then after applying the lip gloss, I'm highlighting my lips using the same highlighter that I used on the nose. Yeah, and we're done doing our hair, and that's the final look. I personally love it. I don't know about you. You can try it and tag me when you post it. Yeah, so that's the final look. Kindly like this video, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.